Hi, this is Steve Biggs of Boatshed, Norfolk, on board the 1974 Birchwood 25. I'm going to call this a light project. It's a running boat. A couple of issues that I've noticed, but it's being priced accordingly. So with an asking price of $7,000. This is the cockpit. Underneath there is the engine, access to the engine and batteries and gas. Volvo Penta MD22. Which needs a fair bit of tidying. Canopy is, although they're not holes, there is material over them. I don't think water will get in, but the canopy is coming to the end of its life. As you can see, all the woodwork really needs addressing. This will be a lovely boat when it's done, and being diesel, that will be quite a desirable little boat really. Rev counter does not work, voltmeter does not work. The vendor says the fridge also does not work. Down into the cabin, pretty standard Birchwood 25 fare. A little dinette which the table drops down to make a double, and a V-berth in the front. Curtains need a pretty good wash, but they should be pretty serviceable after that. Nice little galley. The upholstery is original, but appears to be in pretty good condition considering. But you can see the woodwork really could do with varnishing in places. This is a starter boat project. Some of the linings there need either replacing or gluing back. Most of the cabin wood and the inside wood is actually okay. There's probably only 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 pieces that actually are in need of renovation that I can see. If you'd like further information on this Birchwood 25 project, light project, it's a running boat and driving boat, then please contact me, Steve Biggs, at boatshednorfolk.com. Thanks for watching.